So let's look at this first question, question 10. Questions 1 through 10 are basic vocabulary questions, so you're going to use the chart that we made earlier to sort of help you with that. So let's look at question 10. It says, the park shown at the right, this park, is an equilateral triangle. What do you know about the lengths of the other two sides that are not labeled? We know that this is an equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle means that all sides are the same length. So if all sides are the same length, that means that this side being 50 yards, the other side of the triangle, once the opposite side is going to be 50 yards, and this side is also going to be 50 yards because they are equal. They are all equal to each other. So each side is going to be 50 yards. So if we look at answer choice A, it says an equilateral triangle has no sides of the same length. That's not true. We know all the sides are the same length, so it cannot be A. If you look at B, it says an equilateral triangle has 3 sides of the same length. So each side is, and you can type in your answer, and I put 50 yards because we know one side is 50 yards, meaning they all have to be 50 yards. Let's look at question number 11. So question number 11 says, can an obtuse triangle also be an equilateral triangle? If I were to draw an obtuse triangle, okay, we know this is an obtuse triangle. This angle I drew at the top, that angle, is an obtuse angle, which makes this whole triangle an obtuse triangle. I know that this side of my triangle and this side of my triangle is not the same length as this side of my triangle. So an obtuse triangle cannot be an equilateral triangle. There's no way, because an equilateral triangle needs to have all sides be the same length, but I cannot have all sides be the same length if I need one side to be obtuse. So let's take a look at how to answer this. So first, I would say no, it cannot be. So when drawing an obtuse angle with 2 equal sides, the triangle cannot be closed. A third side cannot be closed with a third side that is the same length. It's just not going to be possible. These two sides might be the same, but this last side that's closing it off is not going to be the same length as this side and this side.